It's a drug many never see coming.
It will put you down quickly.
So potent it can tranquilize an elephant.
No doubt it's a game changer.
Leaving potentially thousands dead in its wake.
We had more deaths from carfentanil than we'd ever had from any one drug, ever.
We started getting all these calls.
Hello? We need an ambulance at Sycamore Street. Hey, hurry up now! These people showed up my house and they're dying.
Initially, it was very overwhelming. Every ambulance that we had in the city of Huntington went to this neighborhood because we had so many people overdosing.
Gordon Mary is the director of emergency medical services for Cabell County, West Virginia. He recalls that horrific day in August 2016 when 27 people overdosed from heroin laced with carfentanil.
This is a drug used as a veterinary tranquilizer for very large animals.
A deadly synthetic opioid 10,000 times more potent than morphine, barely noticeable in this tiny vial. It takes only a few grains to kill someone, and it's usually mixed with heroin, cocaine, or Xanax. Thanks to his unit's fast response, they were able to reverse each overdose with the use of the medicine naloxone, but most don't survive.
This is not unique to Huntington. This is unique to the United States.
In fact, we surveyed medical examiners and coroners across several states on just how many carfentanil overdose deaths they've encountered. Of those that responded, we found that there have been more than 800 carfentanil-related deaths across 72 counties since 2016. One of the hardest hit counties, Palm Beach County, Florida. They saw 118 carfentanil overdose deaths last year, 38 confirmed so far this year, with a number of tests still pending.
If you just drove around out here, you wouldn't know that there was an opiate crisis going on.
Chief Jeffrey Goldman is with the Delray Beach Police. He says here, carfentanil has changed how police work is done and how first responders respond.
You don't know what you're dealing with. They wear masks and gloves and things like that to test everything because of small amounts can get them really sick or kill them.
Yet today, it can still be ordered off the dark web and delivered directly to buyers' front doors across the nation.
We know that carfentanil comes from China. We also know that carfentanil comes from Mexico as well.
Melvin Patterson is with the U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration.
It's very, very strong, and it's something that people are demanding here in the United States.
Over a 14-month period, DEA has received more than 2,200 reports of carfentanil across 15 states, with Ohio, Michigan, and Florida topping the list. As more communities are losing loved ones to this deadly drug, little is known about its full impact and reach across the nation.
I don't think anybody has an answer. I truly don't.
Part of the problem, there currently is no national database that tracks the number of deaths from carfentanil across the country, making it even more difficult to determine just how big of a problem carfentanil really is. I'm Angela Hill for Scripps News in Washington.